If you don't know me, my name is Michele Sullivan. And I'm proud to be in the top 1% of luxury agents here in Las Vegas. And I've built a brand and reputation by providing the ultimate luxury experience. Las Vegas is a unique market known for its luxurious lifestyle. I'm honored to have sold the most expensive home in 2023 in Las Vegas.
Not only did she have the highest sale February, in March, highest sale in March.
Additionally, I've successfully closed numerous multi-million-dollar deals, and these achievements have shaped my career. I pride myself on staying ahead of all the current marketing trends, and it's not what you know, it's who you know. And my record speaks for itself, with numerous successful multi-million-dollar sales, and I look forward to making yours next.